What's good with us? How is you doing today? So it's on Friday night at around 10 p.m. And I want to give you an update of what has been happening during the week because I was not recording. I was not feeling well, and I believe even now my voice is not very clear. But I'm going to show you the trades I took. I think 4 trades, and I'm going to show you the dashboard and all the everything. I'm feeling a bit well today, so in the coming week I will be documenting every single trade as I normally do. So let's get on the screens. All right, now the trade you're seeing on the screen right now, I'm still holding that trade, but because I want to hold it during the weekend, I have closed half of the position. I closed it somewhere around here. I didn't want to have the whole position open because we could have a huge gap on Monday that could take me out potentially. So I wanted to play it safe. But it's a good trade. It's still going up. I have half of the position still open. Now before we will get back on this trade in a minute, but let's look at the trades I took. Now the first trade was on this same pair, GBP USD, that one right there. So you can see it's a nice, beautiful win, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. It happened in about 8 hours or less. We broke this level right here, 1.31, and closed above it on Monday morning. And I took the trade, and it went all the way up 1 to 3, 90 pips, and that was it. Now I could have held it for targeting maybe this level or for 1 to 4 because I don't go for more than 1 to 4. Could have gone for 1 to 4, but since I was in drawdown, I wanted to play it safe, right? And I was in a massive losing streak, and this trade got me out of that. So I wanted to play it safe, go for 1 to 3. And also I was a bit conservative on the stop loss. I could have used a tighter stop loss, as you can see my entries. Now, for those telling me, oh, your stop loss is too tight and all, it's only me who knows how I trade. And like I always say, we have different goals, we have different plans for the future, and only me knows how I'm going to achieve my plans, okay, or my goals. So you can tell me what to do. I will always do what I want, what I believe in. So if I feel like my stop loss, if you feel like my stop loss is tight, well, you can use a bigger stop loss if you want, but I will always use what I believe in. All the advice in the comments and all of that, I don't really like it. And I wish everyone could be watching my videos with an open mind, because it's very rare to find someone who is showing everything, right? So watch with an open mind. If you feel like you can't stand watching me doing what I'm doing, you can leave, okay? But it's only like less than, it's actually 1% of the viewers that want to tell me what to do and all of that. I should learn this strategy. But I've tried every strategy, and this was, so you can imagine, this is the best I have come to after learning everything. This is the best. So, and I'm still working on it. I'm not done. This is a long journey for me. I'm not looking to make money right now. That's why I don't buy many accounts. I'm only trading one account, one prop account. I'm not looking to make quick money right now. I have big plans for the future, and I'm not going to achieve them by rushing, okay? Even I'm not a very strong Christian, but I believe in the Bible. There is some verse that talks about if you're looking for quick shortcuts, you will always end up in poverty. And so this is something that I'm working on for a very long time. It's only a small margin of the people that watch my videos that have that kind of thing. Majority are cool, saying they're cool with what I'm doing, even if you disagree with what I do. Anyway, so like I said, this was the first trade, and the second trade was on USD card the same day on Monday. And so this was the trade right here. Now after winning that first trade, I was like, man, I'm out of I'm out of this massive losing streak. I was feeling on top of the world. Ideally, maybe I should not have taken this trade, but I felt like, man, let me take it. Okay. And also, if you look at USD card, we have been dropping for a very long time. So I thought I was expecting some type of retracement, even if it's a short retracement. Now, again, I don't just buy at any. I said I only buy, but I don't just buy at any level. Okay, I don't just wake up and buy. I have things that I look for, the things that I need to see before I can take a buy. Okay, I don't just buy anytime. And also, I don't just trade against the trend just like that. I have the things, like for example, we have been dropping for a very long time here. So I was expecting some type of retracement. Okay, and you can see we got it. And for me, when I'm trading against the trend, I'm aware I'm trading against the trend. And the only thing I'm looking for is a short move in my favor. You can break even. And then because I can't tell when the market is going to reverse, yes, we know downtrend, but we can just reverse just from right there. So how am I supposed to know? I don't have a strategy that tells me when the market is going to reverse, and I don't think there is any out there. But we're not going to talk about that. So this was the first trade. The second trade was on Wednesday, which on the same pair, USD card on the same level, and that was also a losing trade. This one right here. Now this one was terrible. I can't even say every trade I take is me who took it. No one told me to take it, but this was terrible. I was not supposed to take it, but I took it, and it's me who took it, so I have to take responsibility for that. I also missed a couple of sets. Now this was a loss 1% done within 8 hours, and I was out. I missed a couple of setups on GBP but I'm not going to talk about that. There was setups here, and all the way along this move. There were so many setups that I could have taken, but I did not. And it's because I was in drawdown. You know, when you're in drawdown, you're very cautious of the setups you take and things like that. But that was the update for the week. Now let me show you the account metrics. So this is the account right here. You can see I'm down 4.6%. I still have a trade open. If it was not open, the balance would be around 5%. Okay, 5% negative. But now we are at 4.6, and we're going to see how this trade is going to play out. This one right, yeah, that is it's looking good. But obviously, like I said, I wanted to close half of the position so that but I'm not going to break even. I'm not going to move my stop loss to break even through the weekend. We still have about 2 hours before they close. Now, these were the trades. As you can see, this was the trade on Monday, $300, which was 3%, and one loss, 1% each. If we look at the down there, as you can see, on Monday I closed the day with 2% profit, and on Wednesday I lost 1%. So the week has ended with a 1% gain, which I can't say was bad. I could have done better if I did not miss those setups and all of that. But I can't complain. It was a good week overall. It was a good week because I gained something and I got out of the losing streak. That was terrible, bro. 9 trades in a row. That was terrible, but I did get out of the losing streak and I'm back. So that's it for now. I'll be back in the coming week recording every single trade that I'm taking. Hopefully I will be well. I still don't feel very well. I'm still feeling some pain here and there, and also my throat is You can hear my voice is not very clear. It's like some pain in there. I don't know what it is, but hopefully I'll be back in the coming week, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.